So take a look at this, guys. On the bottom there is this little thing here, which means that you can connect this up to a tripod, which is extra cool because then if you don't want to, if this feels a little bit heavy on your head, no, just kidding. If you take this off, then you can put this on a tripod and someone else can see what you're doing while not wearing goggles if they want, or you can just give them another pair of goggles if you have another one, and they can see exactly what you're wearing while wearing them. Whatever feels more comfortable, but you know it's COVID, so some people may not want to wear your goggles, so this is a good way to get them into FPV without having to stick this on their face, which is definitely an upside. And so that's pretty much all we've got here. As I said before, this is very standard and very similar to what I showed you guys before. You have the battery over here, the record button. This is the bandwidth. I don't know if this is
Likey.